Hey, what's up guys? This is Amin and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel Make Money with Amin. Today I want to talk about SEO backlink. Yes, this is very important for the SEO expert and who want to sell SEO service or who want to rank their website on Google top. Definitely this is very important tutorial, so please watch this video start to end and definitely you can easily create high quality profile backlink. So let's get started. Okay, thank you so much. First of all, we want to check how many people are selling these kinds of service on Fiverr, or how much demand on these kinds of profile backlink. Okay, so I want to go Fiverr and I want to just search profile backlink. Sorry for this. Here it is, profile backlinks, and I want to check how many people selling service and how many services available there. So here is 2300 plus services available, and most of the people doing great because high quality high TAPA backlink, profile backlink is very important for ranking. So after watching this video, definitely you can easily create lots of high quality backlink and definitely you can sell your service on Fiverr or other marketplace, and definitely you can use for your website ranking. Okay, so I want to need some information to start this backlink creation. So from your client just need some information like this one. So need website name, definitely client will provide you, and definitely need some keywords for I got the client from the Bangladesh, so this keyword is digital marketing service, and the website is based marketing BD. Also need description. You can find this description on website. Also, if you want, you can write a description for their website. Okay, so all the thing is ready. Now we want to create some backlink. So need some high quality high TAPA profile list for the profile backlink creation. So how can we find this? First of all, you should go Google and you will search high quality profile backlink, and definitely you will find the backlink list. Also, if you want, I want to just provide you the best link. Please follow the description link. Okay, so I have already done some backlink here, and I want to see the sample. Also, I want to explain everything. Okay, so here is the list already I have done for client. So here is the list, and definitely the list, all the profile backlink site is high TAPA, like 93, 81 and 90, 86 and 500 plus or 440 plus. So definitely you should select a high TAPA site for the backlink. Okay, so how can you do? First of all, you just copy the profile backlink list from your list, and definitely you will just search on Google, and I have already searched the website, first one, this goes. So I want to create one backlink for the tutorial purpose. So I want to go here and I want to click the get started option, and here you'll find all the option like name, email and password. So also you can, if you want, you can easily sign up with Google, Facebook, Twitter, but my recommendation is use email, because when you will get lots of client and lots of project, that's time you need lots of email, right? So this is very difficult to create lots of email or Gmail or like something other mail. So my suggestion is you can use the temporary email for the profile creation, and this is cool, I think. And how can you get this? You can easily do this. Just go to Google and search temp mail, and after that you will find these kinds of mail. And don't refresh this one, just if need any refresh, just click here. Okay, so put all the information here like name, email and password, then click I'm not robot, and after that profile will create. So I want to log in because I have already created, and I want to log in, and I want to explain everything for your profile creation. Okay, so here is the password, and I have already said, and save and please save the information for the future use, like email and password. And I want to put the email here, and maybe the password is here, I don't know, but I want to try. Okay, and verify the captcha. Stare. Okay, that's cool. Oh no, also here. Stare, verify, and all is okay. Now I want to log in. Okay, so here you will get when you will log in this kinds of interface. So just click the complete your profile area. Okay, so click the complete your profile, and after that you will find these kinds of information, and like your avatar or logo, and name, biography, website, location, and some other things. And don't do this private for the backlink. And definitely when you will get lots of website and you are just trying to create profile backlink, sometimes you will not get the area for the backlink for website. Okay, so how can you put your link there? So definitely you can easily put from the link from your bio or about sections, and after that easily you can provide your information for your client. Okay, so all the thing is done. I want to save it, and already I have saved because I have done the backlink before. So which information we should provide your client? So just find out the area like profile, and to click here the profile. After that you will see the section where the backlink is linked. Okay, already just when client will visit the link, and after that client will see the link you have already done. Okay, so find out the area. Normally you will get this from your profile. Also sometimes you will get the about section. So I got the about section, and I want to copy this one, and I want to paste the link here. And if I want to check as a client, so I want to open new private window, and I want to paste the link. Sorry, this not this one. I want to copy this one, and I want to paste here the private window. Okay, and when you client will check this link, and definitely he or she will see these kinds of interface, and definitely he will get the link already you have done. Okay, this is very cool, I think, and I'm so sorry for my English because I'm not good at English, and I'm trying to provide best tutorial for my audience. And definitely please support, and please share this video, and if you have any questions, please comment below, and definitely I will answer your question within few hours. And please pray for me, and definitely what kinds of video you want to see, and definitely please comment, and I will make for you. And if you not subscribe my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and please click the notification button. Thank you. Tata.